Some people say size is not important. I disagree. Last weekend was the Unfinished Nationals 2021, the best car show I've ever been to. And also, it was a swap meet, and I picked up a pair of these. If you've been following along, you'll know I've been trying to get this size of front flasher for nearly 2 years. But this is the first swap meet I've actually managed to, well, it's the first swap meet there's really been locally. I know there was one in Barry, but I didn't make it to that one. Anyway, I finally got them, so it's time to fit them. And people actually see which direction I'm intending to turn. That will help. Now, because these are the same design as the ones I've got, I should be able to just unscrew these, take them out, plonk these in. The only thing is, I don't even know if there's bulbs in these, so I will take these apart. The other one I've got doesn't actually have a wire coming out, so I'll need to do a wee bit of wiring and check the bulb size, because if the bulb size is the same, then that's pointless. It's not going to be any brighter. I need to get a bigger bulb in these. So let's take these apart. Right, let's see what lies beneath. It's even got its little cork gasket. It's not in the best of conditions. I might have to get new ones. Right, so we have a single... Oh, no, I think that's a much bigger bulb. Excellent, so I should be able to fit a nice bright bulb in there. But as I say, the other one, oh, this one, it does have a wire, but it seems to stop short. Someone's just snipped it there, which is really annoying. But that's okay, I can extend the wire there and poke it through there. Or bring it up through the other one. Let's get the other ones off and compare. With a bit of luck, I'll just need to change the wire on the inside, because it is still a single positive coming in and it gets earth through the body. So let's see what's going on in here. I did pre-loosen these, by the way, they weren't just all sitting slack. Okay, so it's fairly straightforward. You get your positive going into the back of the bulb holder, and then that gets bolted to the housing of the lamp, and then the lamp bolt gets earth through the car. Okay, let's do a swap. I'll do one at a time, and then we'll try them and make sure that one is much brighter than the other. Right, all I need to do actually is add a wire connector there, snip the wire that's attached to the bulb in the car, add the female connector, join them together, should be good, in theory. But I will have to feed the other one through this before I add the connector, obviously. We'll go for a male connector as the receiving of the power, because I always like to put the female connector on the power in side in case it ever detaches and then it's not going to short out. Right, let's go to the car, wire up the other one with the female, plug it all together, screw it in. Oh, should have a bulb somewhere. That one should do it. Perfect. Let us go. So I am going to snip this there. I'm going to leave a little bit of wire because I'm not a total, you know, in case someone wants to use that again in the future. Take that off. Feed this one through. Don't need that washer anymore. Also don't need the nut on the underside. But I do need the nut for this side, so I need to feed that through the wire first. This one didn't come with a nut. I need to go and find a nut. Back in a sec. Okay, I have returned with my nut and a washer. So, nut, washer, wire through here. This is going to be a wee bit awkward. Let's take the bulb out before I break it. Oh, that's going to be perfect if it works. Snippy snip. And we're looking for the female connector. And I know most of you are not fans of these connectors, but I've been using them now for 2 years and nothing's fallen off, so I'm sticking with them. Damn you, Murphy. Let's try again. Okay, I think this time I will take a bit more wire, fold it over, double it up. That was embarrassing. Okay, twisty twisty, foldy overy. Okay, so now you will plug in there. Oh God, it's a bit tight. That's okay, tight is good. Screw this on here for the earth. Oh my God, did I get the wrong size nut? No, we're good, we're good. Oh, come on. Right, I'll go and switch the car on, make sure it works at this stage before I put the lines on. Yay! Right, I'll throw the lens on and see how it compares to that one. Okay, let's see how it works. Much better. Much better. Right, let me get that one done and then we'll be done. We are done. Easy job. Way better. I'll show you what they're like at night time, because obviously it's very bright today, but they're still pretty bright and I'm happy with that. The main thing is I want to be able to see them when the headlights are on, so we'll try that later. It is now time for round 6 of the PV game. On the last round, I asked if I was A. Completely forgotten. On the last round, I asked if I was a driving instructor, a bungee jump technician, or an orange picker in Spain. Thought you might have gone for the orange picker because my mum's got a house in Spain, but no, I was in fact a driving instructor. Hopefully I can still find the picture from way back when I had my little driving school car. It was pretty cool for a while. Kinda stressful. Right, on to this week's round. Was one of my past professions A, an English teacher, B, a dental nurse assistant, or C, a solicitor's office clerk? Make sure you leave a comment below with your answer, A, B, or C, to be in with a prize. No, to be in with a chance of a prize of a Scott Rods t-shirt, Scott Rods coffee mug, and 2 Scott Rods stickers. Well, thanks for watching today. Remember, if you haven't already, have a look at the coverage of the Unfinished Nationals. There's 3 videos because I had to break it down to 3 digestible parts. It's quite a big show. Okay, I also have 3 patrons now, thank you very much. And you lucky folk get to see all my videos before everyone else. There's an incentive, but I appreciate everyone. Thank you all for watching. Okay, make sure you stick around till the end. I'll put the leaderboard for the past profession game at the end, and also you get to see what the lights look like in the dark. Bye for now.